Have you ever tried to apply for a loan application or a school student loan, and you are wondering the information that you have to write on it, they need to be precise and straight to the point, and you only get to do this application once. So what happens is you might download the application form and make a copy of it, and then in the copy you make sure you write the precise and detailed information that you need, and then you transfer all that information in your main application form. So this whole analogy, it's what Mainnet Forking is all about.
Mainnet Forking is a technique using blockchain to create a local replica of whatever is happening on the mainnet.
It's just basically a concept that allows developers to interact with already deployed contracts to understand the vulnerabilities and risks before deploying to the mainnet.
Basically to test deployed contracts to actually check for risks or vulnerability before we can actually deploy to the mainnet.
We were able to run more like a simulation of a live contract on the mainnet, where we get to impersonate someone who is on the mainnet, a real-time user on the mainnet. And I think interestingly, it's a form of interactions where we get to test our use cases within our contract before we get deployed to the mainnet.
As the name implies, they actually just fork the mainnet, use that as a testing ground for their smart contracts, and give a kind of live, they create a kind of live environment testing for whatever they want to do. So they see how it is, but actually not affecting the mainnet.
Let's say you have a contract that you want to test before deploying it to the mainnet, and the testnet doesn't have all the features that allows you to test them efficiently. So what Mainnet Forking does is it gives you a simulation of the mainnet without actually making any permanent change to the mainnet, hence making it very cheap and effective to test your contract before finally pushing it to the mainnet.